Hello and happy Friday to everybody. I am just in here trying to get it together. I am prepping some bags. I was so excited that I found enough of this to make two more of the bags that I had created. And a lot of people told me that they love the fabric, and I was like, okay, I'm mad because the wholesaler don't sell them anymore. So I had to go digging in the crate and I found like some overstock stuff that I had that I never got a chance to really do anything with. So yeah. Um Now with this piece, I decided to do it a little bit different from the last time I made a bag. And honestly, I almost effed the thing up, but I pushed through. So a lot of people use ribbon to add to their bag. So this is just me adding my ribbon tabs. And generally it just depends on how you want to sew the bag closed. So I just move mine closer to the bottom. But I've done this. This is my second different technique for this, so that's why it's not really any instruction. Yeah, I'm just out here on Friday, y'all. I don't know. I just am busy drinking my herbal tea and increasing my olive leaf extract intake and trying to preserve my peace. That's it. But either I'm always doing too much or not enough. So I decided to do this. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not going to be much detail. This technique is a technique that I'm just trying out today. I'm pretty sure it's going to come out good. That's kind of how it normally goes. So, yeah. Um, that part I generally go and fold. And stitch down on my regular machine because these can be made all on the regular machine by itself. I don't know why I decided to be extra today and go full with this serger because honestly, this whole thing could have been done by now, I think. And I decided to serge it down the sides today, um, being extra. But I think it came out pretty good. I got a few finishing touches. Of course, I have to add the cord to it, the drawstring, um, which is really really easy. It's all about just how long it is, and it's easy to put in place. Um, but I think the stitching part is the most tedious part, and yeah. But once I finish sewing it down, it's pretty much done. I'm gonna turn it inside out so you guys can see the details in it. I think most of these videos are kind of showing you the details. I don't know. Anyway, I think I need coffee today instead of tea. All right. Yeah, that's it.